If you're a trivia lover, then you need to hear these unbelievable historical facts. Let's dive in. Did you know the Great Wall of China is over 13,000 miles long and took a whopping 2,000 years to build? Now that's what I call dedication. Here's a mind-bender. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. Space age versus ancient Egypt. Who would have thought? In 1920, you could actually mail a child in the US via the postal service, as long as they weighed under 11 pounds. Can you imagine receiving that package? The Eiffel Tower, a global icon now, was initially hated by many Parisians and almost got dismantled in 1909. Guess beauty does take time to be appreciated. The shortest war in history? It was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896 and lasted only 38 minutes. Blink and you might have missed it. Tomatoes were once feared in Europe and called poison apples in the 16th century. Well, that's one way to discourage pizza night. The first Olympic Games were held in 776 BCE in ancient Greece and featured only one event, a foot race. And talk about keeping it simple. The oldest known living tree is a bristlecone pine in California, estimated to be over 4,800 years old. Talk about standing the test of time. And finally, paper was invented in China around 105 AD, revolutionizing communication and record keeping. Where would we be without it? If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be the most knowledgeable person in the world. So subscribe and like.